Today we're going to be taking off that oil pan and replacing it. We now have the oil pan off. This is a Moroso Road Racing baffled oil pan.
They make drag race ones which have just baffles kind of front and rear. But for road racing, the oil is going side to side. And that's what was happening to me in the left-hand corners. All the oil was going from down here up over to here. So now there's this little wall here. On top of that, there's this little one-way door. So if oil does go up here, it'll flow right back down and come right back in. And then there's doors over here, back here, and I believe, yeah, there's one down here as well. So hopefully the pickup that sits right here will stay covered in oil and I won't lose oil pressure in the corners. All I need is an actual gasket. It's got these little dimples. That's where the gasket will line up, so this won't mount flush to the block like this one would. And then once we get that, we should be back and putting that thing on.
The new oil pan is in. I have not put oil in it yet, but I can't really test drive it until I get this finished.